Hey, my name is Alex. We have a dining chair that unfortunately was broken, so I'd like to show you how you can fix this. Let's get to it. The first step is to glue the leg back to the chair and put it back to its original state, and then later we'll figure out how to reinforce the leg. Okay, let's do it. The next step is to sand these rough areas such that it's easier to process like these areas. So I'll just simply sand them, make it smooth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the slot router bit to cut out a groove along this direction, and then once I have the groove, I'll add in some lumber to reinforce the strength of this leg. That's basically the idea. So let's do that. Notice how I accidentally also cut out some portion of the wood. It's very hard to freehand using the router, so be extra careful about it. I'll have to figure out how to fill up this part of wood. And then I'll do the same on the other side. I'll have 2 grooves and then I'll add 2 reinforcement lumber. Let's do that. Here's the part that I messed up. How to figure out how to fill up this part. This is on the back. So we're going to need to cut out some reinforced piece for this slot and that slot, right? So this one is about a little bit more than a quarter, right?
너를 처음 본 순간 심장이 뛰어 햇살 아래 네 미소 My heart's on fire 숨길 수 없는 감정 I can't deny.
So after sending it to the more similar shape along this line, it now fit much better, right? So after I glue it down, I just need to send out any extra bit. So this is good. I'm going to send down the other piece right here.
In your eyes I see the stars 더 빛나게 이 순간을 영원히 간직할 거야.
Right, so I already sanded these 2 pieces. This one fit pretty well. This one, it protruded a little bit, but I don't think it mattered that much in the sense that I can glue it down and then later I'll sand it smoothly, which should take care of it. So let's do that.
Everything feels right. 너를 위한 노래 부르고 싶어. every night 너와 함께라면 두렵지 않아 무엇이든 할 수 있어 you and I 내일도 네 곁에 있을게 약속해 이 사랑 영원히 never fade away 네가 있는 곳이 나의 집이야 어디든지 함께 we can reach the stars 너와 나의 시간
It'll dry out pretty good. I'm going to throw in a few more screws just to reinforce the structure.
I see the stars 더 빛나게 이 순간을 영원히 간직할 거야 With you by my side I feel like baby 밤 널 놀랄게 My love's a surprise 밤하늘의 별처럼 널 빛나게 널 놀랄게 You light up my life 너와 나의 사랑 영원히 이어 널 놀라게 네 마음을 전해 너와 나의 사랑
Now that the silicone has dried out, I just need to give it some paint, give a similar color to the rest of the chair. I don't have the exact same color, but it doesn't matter too much. As long as it's similar, I don't care too much.
널 놀라게 My love's a
Alright, I guess that's done, and we just need to wait it to dry, and this chair can be back to work. Awesome. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.